Today on Sister Share,
we are going to share with you all of our favorite home fragrances.
Alright, so home fragrance. I love Ashman candles, which I've talked about in a previous video, but I know that this volcano scent from Capri Blue Candles is so amazing and people love it. And here's my trick of how to make it smell a little more fragrant, because it smells so amazing in the jar, but when I bring one home and burn it, I feel like it doesn't like smell my room.
It doesn't get the whole house.
Trick. You can buy these little small ones from like Anthropologie and different stores that carry them.
I love how cute and little it is.
I know, this one's from Anthropologie. But if you put it on a warmer and warm this, it just melts it. So I'm not burning it, I'm just warming it. And then I recently picked up a pink one just because I love pink. And then I actually burn this one. And by having two in the room, when you walk in, it will smell so amazing.
Yeah.
Rather than just having one burning. So one burning, one warming, that's the key to Volcano Capri Blue.
Well, first of all, I'm gonna say, T, your house always smells so good.
Yeah, they're teenagers. My 14-year-old's like 6'3".
Yeah. And you walk into
They're
any
huge.
of their rooms and it smells good. And I'm like, how do you do it, T? Like, I love candles too. I get a lot of the Bath and Body Works ones. I like the 3-wick one because I feel like it lasts longer. But yeah, I just put those in each room, and I like that because I like to change the scents out. I love the volcano scent too, but I kind of get sick of smells.
Like you have to
So
do
I
like a peppermint.
Yeah, and I love seasonal ones, you know. So I like to try different kinds and different brands, and
yeah. So Ashman, Bath and Body Works, and Capri Blue are kind of
Our
the three
favorite.
we use. Share with us what you guys use because we love candles.
yeah,
I don't know, something's therapeutic about lighting a candle.
yeah,
Like,
I love it.
oh, it's like relax.
I mean, there are other ways to smell up your home, such as, you know,
Okay,
plug in.
and we're gonna talk about this. Plug-in, this is a key in teenagers' rooms. You want plug-ins. Oh, and right by my little doggy, he made an appearance in our last video.
Yeah.
I do these, you change them out each month. The Air Wicks you can buy in bulk at Costco.
Yeah.
So they're a little less. They have like vanilla, I usually use vanilla or clean linen. If you use clean linen, what's nice about that is people just think your house is clean.
Yeah.
They don't think you're like burning a candle. Or
And then
something.
you can burn a candle on top of that scent, and it's not too much.
Exactly. Then you're not like vanilla volcano.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes smells can be a little too much, so you gotta be careful with that.
Yeah.
But I put a plug-in in my little girl's room, and that helps a lot.
Yeah, especially like by the diaper team.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank heavens I'm at a diaper stage, but that's a real stage, people. Yeah.
You need a plug-in for that.
Yeah, plug in. Okay, what about Febreze? Do you use Febreze?
Occasionally here and there, but my house doesn't have boys and dogs like her.
It's perfect. It doesn't have boys and dogs.
It does have boys.
Febreze you need for like sofas. Everything you can't wash with Febreze. Right? Isn't that a commercial? Okay, another thing Bolson and I do is countertop sprays. We showed you our Christmas countertop spray. Ooh, can you smell the Febreze?
I can. It smells good.
It smells so good in here. You guys would love it. But we love all sorts of countertop sprays because if you wipe down your kitchen just smells good. Like especially after cooking dinner, you get all these mixed aromas.
Yeah.
Ugh, nasty.
A good countertop spray. So what brands do you like?
This one's Myers. It's the naturals. We're trying to use more natural products. This is the honeysuckle scent is my current one. Kind of transitioning me into spring. I don't know, towards this time of year, I kind of need like spring.
Yeah, I like that brand as well. I also like kind of fruity flavors, like grapefruit. I like the Method brand, the grapefruit one.
Ooh, can you get that at Target?
Yeah, it's at Target.
Okay.
It's really
Grapefruit.
Really good. I've also tried the Honest brand. They have like lavender and different kind of smells.
I haven't tried Honest.
That are really good.
To be honest. Not tried that one. But have you used Anthropologie?
No, I haven't.
Okay, Anthropologie has yummy soaps and a counter spray that's really yummy. And then there's like a Caldera brand. I don't have a bottle right now, but
that used to Yeah, is it still at Target?
Oh my gosh.
That brand?
I don't see it at Target anymore.
Certain Targets.
Okay, where can I buy that? Somebody knows, make a comment. And then this is, these are the concentrated room sprays from Bath and Body Works. Careful, because I mean, if you spray 3, I mean, it will like overpower you. Like this is cupcake. If you spray like 3 sprays, it will not be like a cupcake. It will be like
cupcake overload.
Yeah, overload.
So
and then
with caution.
Yeah, and so I use these in the bathrooms, but you have to be really careful.
Not
like
in the
half of a spray. You do a half a spray.
I don't think so.
Oh, and then poop body. Spray the bowl before you go, and no one else will ever know. If you live with a husband, a boyfriend,
anyway,
boys.
Yes,
because if they can use this, like you spray it and you cannot tell. Yes, and I always have this in my guest bath because if you're having a party and someone has, they have to go number 2. I don't want them to be embarrassed if someone came in after them.
Yeah.
So you need poopery, especially for like your guest bath.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Master bath.
Good ideas.
Good marriages. Good relationships. Boys' bathrooms. Get one for every toilet in your house. So these are some of the things we do to keep our home smelling fresh and clean and not like dogs and boys.